Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a girl named Beauty. She was known for her kindness, grace,
and the way she saw the beauty in everything, even in the simplest of things. Beauty had a heart, as pure as a crystal-clear stream.
His necklace was no ordinary piece of jewelry. It had a small, shimmering gem at its center, said to hold the power of granting one wish. Beauty's grandmother had told her about this magical necklace and how it was essential to use its power wisely. One day, while Beauty was taking a stroll through the village, she came across a wounded beast in the woods. The beast had large, sad eyes and was in need of help. Beauty, with her compassionate heart, decided to tend to the beast's wounds and care for it until it was well. As the days passed, Beauty and the beast became friends, and the beast's appearance slowly transformed. It was no longer a frightening creature but a handsome prince who had been under an enchantment. He explained that only true love and kindness could break the curse. Beauty, having a heart full of love and kindness, had unwittingly broken the curse, but the prince told her that her kindness had to be repaid, and he offered her a magical rose as a symbol of their love. Beauty accepted the rose, not knowing that her magical necklace had also granted her a wish. As Beauty and the prince lived happily ever after, she realized that her wish had already come true, for she had found true love, and her heart was forever filled with the beauty of kindness and love.